Capricorn, we'll get into your October reading. We'll start off with a general message from the universe for you for October, and then we'll get into the tarot read. Okay, so thanks for joining me. So, without much delay, let's get your general message. Reconsider. This is your general message. Now, let's get into the tarot. So the tarot will have three cards. One is from your recent past energies, second is current, and third will be what is coming towards you. All right, so let's get started. So in your recent past energies, Capricorn, I hope you had a wonderful September and that you will have a very joyous rest of the year as well. All right, in your recent past, we have the Seven of Pentacles in the reverse. Seven of Pentacles in the reverse. In your current, let's see what's in your current, Capricorn. In your current, the Page of Pentacles in the reverse. And what is coming towards you, Capricorn, is the Sun. The Sun, that's a beautiful energy, Capricorn. It's a beautiful energy. And the end of the deck is the Three of Cups. The Three of Cups. So celebration, joy, light, knowing what what is important for you, throwing light on what's important for you, and yeah, that's it. So in your recent past, we have the Seven of Pentacles in the reverse, which means that probably you would have been waiting and impatiently waiting for something to happen or something to materialize, and you're fast wanting to move towards a situation which is testing your patience. You were actually in the recent past. Now in the current, you feel that probably you have not learned from the past situations, whichever it has been, and it means that you're not you have not gone through that cycle of learning. Okay, and you feel that new chances or new opportunities are denied to you because of this. Now what's coming towards you is the Sun, which is self-explanatory, but let's get clarifiers for all these cards. Let's see what each of these cards mean. So regarding the Seven of Pentacles in the reverse, the Three of Wands and the Two of Wands. So obviously it explains, the Three of Wands is waiting for something after a lot of homework or hard work, and Two of Wands is a desire to expand. So it could be that you were waiting after putting in a lot of effort, and you're feeling impatient at the delay, Capricorn. You feel that whatever is owing to you has not been given back to you. Let's see why the Page of Pentacles is in the reverse. This is majorly something that you feel you have not learned. The Ten of Cups and the Page of Cups. So you want to start all over again, leading to a happy family situation, and you feel that is not, that's not taking place. You want to deliver, you want someone else to deliver that message to you that they're ready to commit for a new beginning, and you feel probably that's not coming by, or you want to deliver this message, or it is that you want to convey something very emotionally, emotionally quite very joyful thing to somebody, but probably you're not able to do that. So this is a wish fulfillment for you, and you really do wish that this person would kind of give you the go ahead. It probably would require a lot of mental strength on their part to come and deliver it to you. If this is regarding a job which would give you, which would lead you to happiness, then the offer that you desire is not, you feel it's not coming by, or it has already come but you're not sure whether to accept it or not. Now what's coming towards you is the Sun, which means that the troubles are only temporary. Yeah, it means you are defending yourself against whatever is creating roadblocks. You are defending, you're fighting, you are standing up for yourself, and you probably this is leading you to your Sun, which is your happiness. Let's see. Let's get 2 more cards. Please explain the Sun card. The Knight of Swords. The Knight of Swords is indicative of a fast-moving energy towards something that is your wish fulfillment, and this will probably bring you to your Sun, the happiness that you deserve. You feel that things are being hidden from you, and that you don't have much clarity over a particular situation, something which you really want. The King of Cups. This could be there is a lot of emotions involved here, clearly something that is very close to your heart, okay, but that's going to come back to you, that's going to come to you, even if it seems you're trying to find out more about the situation, you're fighting off uncertainties, fuzziness, vagueness, etc., and you're going to get your wish fulfillment. Now let's see why reconsider. The reconsider card is here. I think you're being overly aggressive here. You're fighting to the end. So probably it's asking you to slow down a bit. Whatever it is that you're fighting for, slow down a bit, because it's already yours, and it's going to bring you a lot of happiness. All right. So let's get 2 more cards to clarify the situation. What is it that Capricorn is fighting for? Let's see. The 3 of Cups. So this is your happiness, celebration, and yeah, so I feel whatever it is that you wish for is coming to you. You're fighting for it, you will get it, Capricorn, don't worry. All right, that's what I have for you for October. I'll see you around for the mid-October reading. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.